Today, we are tackling one of the biggest headaches for any group administrator: spam links. But before we build our fortress, there's one crucial step. If you're new here and haven't built your bot yet, this video won't make sense. So, pause right here and click the first link in the description below to watch our Part 1 video. That guide will walk you through the entire deployment process from start to finish. Once your bot is live and running, come right back here to give it this essential security upgrade. Alright, for everyone with their bot ready, let's get to work. Imagine your group chat, a thriving community, great conversations, and then suddenly, a random member drops a suspicious link. It could be a scam, malware, or just unwanted self-promotion. It instantly derails the conversation and puts your members at risk. As an admin, you have to be online 24/7 to catch and delete these. But what if you didn't? What if your bot could act as a vigilant guardian, instantly vaporizing any unauthorized link the moment it appears? That is exactly what we are setting up right now with the Anti-Link module. This feature is incredibly powerful because it's not just a dumb link blocker. It's intelligent. It knows to ignore links sent by you or any other group admin, so you can still share important information. It targets only non-admin members, the most common source of link spam. Let's enable it. Just like the other powerful features we've configured, we will be setting this up from our central command hub, the bot settings group. A crucial thing to understand is that when we activate a command here, it applies to all of the default groups we connected in our setup video. In my case, turning on Anti-Link here will protect both the Bookie Basher 1 and the Bookie Basher 2 and any other group I had set as default simultaneously. This is the core power of our command center, one command to rule them all. So, as you can see on my screen, I am now in my bot settings group. To activate our Guardian, the command is as simple as it gets. I'm just going to type Anti-Link on and hit send. The bot will immediately confirm that Anti-Link has been enabled. This protection is now activated across all of my default groups. That's it. The Guardian is now active everywhere it needs to be. But of course, we need to see it in action. I'm going to switch over to my other phone, where I'm logged in as a regular, non-admin member of this group. I'm going to try and post a link of a website. Let's use google.com as a safe example. I'll type it out and press send. Now, watch the bot's action closely. The message appears for a split second, and gone. It's instantly deleted by the bot. The spam is removed before anyone even has a chance to click it. The bot will also send a private warning to the user, letting them know that links are not allowed. And the system is smart. If a user repeatedly tries to post links, the bot can be configured to automatically remove them from the group after a certain number of violations. This is true, it is what we call set it and forget it security. To disable it, you would simply go back into the group as an admin and type Anti-Link off. This level of simple yet powerful control is what makes this bot so incredible. You have now made your community cleaner, safer, and more focused. And just like that, in under a minute of setup, your WhatsApp group is now shielded from unauthorized links. You've just automated one of the most tedious and critical jobs of a group admin, freeing yourself from the need to constantly monitor the chat for spammers. Your bot is on duty 24/7, ensuring your community remains a safe and valuable place for its members. This is just the first layer of our advanced security setup. If you found this useful, you're going to love what's next. On the end screen, you'll see two video suggestions. On the left, we set up the anti-spam shield, which stops users from flooding your chat with rapid messages. On the right, we dive into the transparency tool, showing you how to see messages that users have edited or deleted. Both are essential for total group control. If you were amazed by this video, you will like those ones too. Before you click over, please take a second to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and be sure to ring the notification bell so you don't miss the rest of this powerful series. Thank you for watching. Click one of those videos now, and I will see you there.